Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, looking for the latest must-have kitchen gadgets to upgrade your cooking game? In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets you need in your life right now. From time-saving tools to innovative appliances, these gadgets will make meal prep easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love experimenting in the kitchen, these picks are perfect for any cooking enthusiast. Watch till the end to see which gadget takes the top spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing kitchen finds. Then guys, let's start the video.
Salad Spinner, the OXO Good Grips. Large salad spinner makes washing and drying salad greens quick and effortless. Its innovative pump mechanism allows for easy one-handed operation, spinning your greens dry with just a few presses. The clear, BPA-free bowl doubles as a serving dish, while the basket can be used as a colander for rinsing vegetables. A non-slip base ensures stability during use, preventing the spinner from sliding on countertops. The built-in brake button stops the spinning instantly, giving you full control. With a large 6.22 quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing family-sized salads. Easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. Designed for convenience and efficiency, the OXO Salad Spinner is a must-have tool for anyone who loves fresh, crisp salads.
Next, electric coffee grinder. The Amazon Basics electric coffee grinder offers a fast and efficient way to grind fresh coffee beans for your daily brew. With a powerful motor and stainless steel blades, it quickly grinds beans to your preferred consistency, whether coarse for French press or fine for espresso. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, and the transparent lid allows you to monitor the grinding process. The grinder can also be used for spices and herbs, making it a versatile kitchen tool. A one-touch operation simplifies use, while the safety lock feature ensures the blades only spin when the lid is securely in place. The removable grinding bowl makes cleanup easy, and its 3.2-ounce capacity is perfect for small to medium batches, ideal for coffee lovers seeking fresh, flavorful coffee at home.
Next,
4-in-1 Countertop Convection Steam Oven. The Fotile Chef QBI 4-in-1 Countertop Convection Steam Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for modern cooking needs, combining 4 functions: convection, steaming, air frying, and dehydrating. It offers unmatched flexibility in meal preparation. With precise temperature control, it ensures even cooking, making it ideal for everything from baking pastries to roasting meats. Its built-in steam feature locks in moisture, resulting in healthier and juicier dishes. The compact countertop design is perfect for any kitchen size, offering a space-saving solution without compromising functionality. The user-friendly interface and preset cooking modes make it easy for beginners and professionals alike. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its removable components. Ideal for health-conscious cooking, the Chef QB brings convenience and innovation to your daily culinary experience.
Next, indoor grill, the Cusimax. Indoor electric smokeless grill is a perfect solution for enjoying delicious BBQ meals indoors without the hassle of smoke. With 1500 W of power, this grill heats up quickly, providing even cooking for your favorite dishes. Ideal for Korean BBQ and a variety of other cuisines, it features a non-stick grill plate that ensures easy food release and quick cleaning. The adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking, from searing meats to grilling vegetables. Designed with a detachable drip tray, it effectively reduces smoke while collecting excess grease for healthier meals. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for small spaces or apartment living. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a casual meal, the Cusimax Indoor Grill brings the fun of grilling right into your kitchen.
Next, espresso machine. The Gaggia Accademia luxury Italian fully automatic espresso machine brings cafe-quality coffee into your home with effortless precision. Designed for coffee enthusiasts, this machine offers a fully customizable experience, allowing you to adjust grind settings, coffee strength, and milk frothing for the perfect cup every time. Its sleek Italian design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the intuitive touchscreen makes operations simple. With its dual boilers, you can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously, ensuring fast and efficient preparation. The machine's automatic milk frother creates barista-quality foam, ideal for cappuccinos and lattes. A removable brewing unit and self-cleaning function make maintenance easy, keeping your machine in top condition. Whether you prefer a rich espresso or a creamy latte, the Gaggia Academia delivers luxury and convenience with every cup.